Hey guys, are you tired of Copilot popping up in your Windows 11? While the internet is full of long and complicated methods, so I decided to show you the simplest and quickest way to turn it off completely in just few clicks. So let's get started. Okay, just turn on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, go to your Start menu and type here Copilot. When you hover your mouse to Copilot, you will find here few options. Our required option is to go to App Settings. In Copilot app setting, scroll down and you will find here two options. The first option is terminate Copilot. This will immediately terminate this app and its related processes. But our required option here is uninstall because we want to uninstall this app and its setting completely. Please note that your documents will not be affected. You could just go ahead and click on this uninstall. This will uninstall this app. Now, at the end of this video, I want to show you a bonus and quick tip of uninstalling Copilot. Just go to your start menu, type Copilot, and here you will find the last option that shows uninstall. Just go ahead and click on uninstall and this app and its related info will be removed. Yeah, we are ready to do it. Now Copilot is being uninstalled from my Windows 11 laptop completely and it's gone from here. Please note that to get Copilot removed completely from your Windows 11, sometimes you need to restart your laptop or PC. Okay, after a restart, Copilot is removed completely from a laptop. If this helped, please don't forget to like and subscribe. ITPK, see you in the next one.